The crime I am about to describe is being called the crime of the century. A murder has occurred, and the only person to witness the crime was a jogger who happened to hear the victim yell before stumbling upon her body. The victim is middle schooler Katie, who was having fun at the playground. Currently, there are 4 suspects. As I said before, the victim in this crime is Katie. The only leads to who her killer is a single strand of hair that was located on her body. The 4 suspects are the jogger, her teacher, who is also her mother, the principal of the school, and her grandfather. The cops gathered a DNA sample from each of the 4 suspects as well as from Katie. The DNA was amplified using a polymerase chain reaction and then put through a gel. Electrophoresis allowed the police to create a DNA fingerprint. The first one is shown here. The second DNA fingerprint that was created is shown here. Electrophoresis causes the DNA to move through a gel by using currents. The DNA moves through the gel towards the positively charged end, since DNA is negative. The smaller fragments of DNA move further in the gel, which is why some fragments appear further along in the gel in the picture. The first suspect was the jogger, since she was the one to find the victim. Her DNA matches the DNA at locus 1 in the first gel, but from the second gel, she can be ruled out because her DNA does not match the DNA of the hair that was found at the scene of the crime. Her mother, who is also her teacher, is suspect number 2. She was working at the school that was located across the street from the playground where Katie was found. From the first gel, it can be seen that her mother's DNA does not match the hair. It is worth mentioning that she shares an allele with Katie. The second gel also rules out that the mother is not the killer because her DNA does not match the hair either. The third suspect is the principal, who was also working at the school when the crime occurred. The first gel proves that the principal did not commit the crime, even though his DNA at locus 2 matches that of the hair found at the scene. The last suspect is Katie's grandfather. His DNA matches at locus 1 and at locus 2, meaning that he is the killer. As to why her grandfather killed Katie, well, that's the real question in this whole crime.